So we're here at the WNBA game. I'm here with...
I'm David Malley. I lead developer experience at AWS.
So we've just been talking off camera about Kiro, the IDE agentic experience that you guys have just launched.
Yeah.
Without giving me the stats, without giving the audience the stats that you maybe shared, give me what the sort of first few days of this being in the wild has looked like from an experience point of view. How many people have downloaded? Where are we? What's been the adoption so far?
Frankly, the reaction has been much better than we expected. We expected kind of a slow, gradual climb. That has not been the case at all. People seem to really find that the spec-driven development model, which is essentially this idea that instead of just going out and straight vibe coding, that you spend time defining requirements, you build a design doc. From there, you create a task list, and maybe there's user stories in that mix as well. That seems to really resonate with people. That looks a lot more like real development, and the normal workflow of a developer just sped up with AI.
And what's been that reaction, David? I mean, it's been in the market, what is it, a week now?
No, not even. I mean, we launched on Monday.
So, is it that? I thought it was a last week thing.
Oh,
It's been, okay.
no.
It was analyst time. Maybe I was briefed on it last week. Maybe that's what it is.
Maybe so. No, it's been overwhelming. Folks are showing up in Discord. They're asking questions. They're submitting feature requests in the GitHub repo.
Those are the community metrics, right? That's what you're looking
Yeah.
for. It's not revenue in the early days. It's going to be engagement, I would imagine.
Yeah, so certainly engagement. I mean, we obviously want use. We're seeing amazing use of the product, but more than that, more than people just kicking the tires, we're seeing people get excited. We've seen people actually contributing feature ideas and filing bug reports, and that kind of that's a real bought in and heavily invested engagement.
You've seen early use cases start to emerge?
We actually have an entire channel in Discord of what I built with Kiro. People showing off what they've done. There's also this amazing hackathon with large cash prizes that we're running right now, where you can build with Kiro and enter what you're building into that hackathon.
You got anything that stood out in the channel that was really interesting?
There's a ton of things. One of the things that stood out for me was a person building what was essentially a SaaS app for their business. So it did things like employee scheduling and figuring out, maximum number of hours per employee. Just, really simple. And they're doing that a day in.
Wow.
And so,
if we're Monday, what are we, Wednesday today? They've literally had 72 hours on the Apple. That's fantastic.
Amazing.
So if you were to sum it up, 3 quick takeaways, what would those be?
Spec-driven development's really resonating with developers. Kiro's getting a ton of adoption because it's making people more efficient on the rest of the development process, not just generating code. And that people should go look at kiro.dev and check out Discord as well.
Fantastic. David, well, thanks for jumping on with me ad hoc here. There's going to be a lot to see, I think, in the months ahead. If those early adoption numbers and that sort of engagement continues, platform's going to be a success, I feel.
I think so.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for that. You've been checking us out here. We're going to go now and watch some basketball. We'll see you later. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, folks.